Heidi ho there friends, Bobby here today. Hey folks, today this is just going to be a quick little video, and I'm just trying to give you guys a tip. The guys that have their own garage, they do their own oil changes, maybe they change the oil for their parents or a couple friends or something like that, and you have some oil filters that you need to get rid of, okay? Now oil filters are messy. You know, you can try to, I like to put them in a bag, but what I do, and I carry them to the dump when I carry my recyclable oil there, because they have a place for the oil filters. I like to recycle and do things like we're supposed to instead of throwing them in a trash can and throwing them in the regular trash. But guys, this little tip here is what I want to show you. If you'll keep yourself a little pan around, okay? And this pan right here is just for my oil filters, all right? And then taking an old air filter, as big an air filter. This actually come out of my Buick, okay? And every time I get an oil filter, I just leave it there to drain. I mean, these have been draining here for a month or two, okay? So here's actually this is 2 oil changes on my Buick. This is my Buick filter right here, and I just sit them right here on top of this air filter and let them drain, okay? And now today I've got a bag here, and I'm just going to go ahead. There's no oil in there. I mean, they've been draining for, God knows how long now. Well, a couple months. So anyway, so I can put them in my bag, okay? And I can just keep them until I'm ready to go to the dump. I'll go put them over in the corner of the garage where my used oil is, okay? And just kind of let them collect there. I don't have to worry about oil running out of the bag or anything like that while it's sitting out here. And look here, in our oil drain pan, look here, we got a couple more candidates here, okay? So before I put this on here, I just want to show you what this looks like. Here's the oil filter, okay? I mean the old air filter, and here's the drain pan. And actually, if this gets too much in it, you can just drain it right back into your drain pan here. If you end up getting too much of a buildup of oil in your little oil filter pan, okay? Let's set it back down. You don't have to change the air filter. This will last a very long time, okay? And then you set your oil filters back up in here again, and we're just going to let them sit there and drain for probably another month or so, guys, okay? We'll just sit them here. It's not in my way or anything. And that's all of our oil filters. Now we're getting ready to dump this into our big old jug. So, guys, I just wanted to show you this right quick. It's a quick little way to drain your oil filters so they don't make such a mess when you are trying to collect them and take them to your oil recycle center or wherever you take your oil filters to. So just a quick little idea for you. You can get these cheap little drain pans like at the dollar store for $1. And the next time you change an air filter out of something, don't go out and buy a brand new air filter just to do this. Take an old air filter, okay? And you just take the air filter, lay it in the pan, let it drain. Gives it something to drain through, and it just works really great. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.